Pardon the sound if it's loud out here, but I need to replace my rear wiper on my LX 570. And I was thinking maybe some people don't know how to do it just like me. So I'm gonna try to show you right now what you wanna do. And actually this can be done on a 2015 Highlander. That's how I know, because we had one of those. You just peel this to the side on both sides. You can see I'm doing it one-handed. Pull it back. Lift this up. And now what you wanna do is take this piece here and just pop it. It'll feel kind of tough, but just push past it. That's fine. And then let's see, can I do it one-handed still? Just pull it right off. There you go. Now my suggestion is leave it like this, go into the store, get your new wiper blade, and then you can just do the reverse. And this is the way it should be. There should be a larger opening on the back end, the little pin right there, and then the smaller one on the front. And then, you know, it's harder to focus right now, but then you just drop it right in there, push it back. Oh, it's a little harder to do one-handed, but you're gonna push this back in there just like that, get it to clip in, and then you should just be able to pull this into it and then drop it down. So that's how you do it. SK Lifestyle. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button as well. Let me know if this helped you out in the comment section down below.